There's a rhythm to the way that ink meets paper. It's imperfect, it's alive. I learned to listen to that rhythm and it led me here. To these little pieces of my mind, my art, and my new here, my name is Dooley. I'm a graphic designer and a self-taught calligrapher. I hope that you enjoy today's video so much, and make sure to subscribe, leave me a comment below, and now let's get into the video. My journey started with a simple pen, rough paper, and a quiet room. No fancy classes, just hours lost in the scratch of nibs and the flow of ink. Each stroke carried a little hope and a little rebellion against the noise. You know what I will say, that I realized these small and tactile pieces could carry more than just words. They could hold a moment, a feeling, and even a reminder. Like this one, stay true to yourself. Staying true to yourself, it's a quiet command that is needed to hear on the hardest days, and especially whenever you are in and or dealing with something that you're questioning yourself in all aspects. Staying true to yourself and believing in yourself, it to me is one of the core principles that we all should strive to live by. And with this one here, trust your creativity, I feel all of us, we have our creativity within us. And I'm saying this if you're a lawyer compared to a sanitation worker. You all are creative in your profession, because it is not just something that you go to and do your job and go home. There's a little bit of creativity involved. And here, trust everyone to be themselves, and more self-love really ties back into stay true to yourself, because we all need a little bit more self-love. Learning digital tools, it's like learning a different language. Sharp edges and smooth curves and pixels, there were moments that I wanted to quit. But every sticker that came out of that struggle, it really felt like proof. Proof that persistence makes the invisible visible. It's from paper to digital. So if you're here wondering if your art matters, remember, every imperfect stroke is a beat in your story. Keep listening to that rhythm. And also, if you're wondering, where could I purchase these stickers at? There is a link to my Etsy shop in the description. I got these for sale, 4 in a pack. And thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.